This letter was sent yesterday around 2 p.m. or thereabouts. The letter was addressed, not even, I think I need to explain this in a way people will understand it. The national chairman and the national secretary, in a matter that the legal advisor of the party, let me first show you this document. This is the document from the national legal advisor of the party filed a notice of withdrawal in this case, where he said, notice of withdrawal of appeal proportion to order 11 of the Court of Appeal rule. Take notice that the appellant herein intends and hereby wholly withdraw her appeal dated and filed on 16/07/2024 by Dr. J.Y. Musa against all the respondents in the notice of appeal. This was signed by Ajibode SN, the national legal advisor of the party. So the national legal advisor of PDP, who is constitutionally mandated by the party constitution to handle all legal matters, files an appeal files a process to discontinue an appeal filed illegally by the state chapter of the party, appealing against an order that stops the sacked Wike lawmakers from commencing any move to remove Governor Fubara from office. So, a court order that is in favor of the party, that stops those impostors parading as lawmakers whose seats have been declared vacant, a court order that stops them from any move to remove the PDP governor in Rivers State. That court order is what Wike group in APC and PDP led by Musa is appealing against. And that is what the national legal advisor, which is the right thing, the national legal advisor files an appeal to withdraw it. Because he cannot be appealing against an order that forbids a group of impostors from removing your governor. So that order is in favor of the party interest, is in favor of Rivers' interest, is in favor of stability of your party. But some people now want to vacate it so that those impostors can make attempt to remove the PDP governor. That was what Ajibode filed. That was patriotic. That was the right thing a reasonable political party would have done. But so don't lead Nigerians and party men. Your own national chairman, who is supposed to be the custodian, the defender of the party. When I said that Damagum lacks the moral political capacity to near any party administration, people thought I was joking. Because I know politically they have low political moral. They will destroy the party if you leave them. Now look at it. Look at what he has done. And read it. He did not even write to his national legal advisor, who is by the next door to him. He writes to the court registrar. He writes to the court registrar and said, in the matter of appeal number CHPH 307/2024 between PDP and Attorney General Rivers State, the above matter refers. He said, our attention has been drawn to a notice of discontinuance. This is Damagum writing that our attention has been drawn to the notice of discontinuance filed by one Femi Bobode on the instruction of A.K. Ajibode. So the national chairman says his attention has been drawn to an appeal, to a process to discontinue an appeal that is not in the interest of the party. He didn't talk to the national legal advisor to tell you they have been compromised to a level that this can do anything. He didn't talk to the legal advisor. He went and wrote to the deputy chief registrar of the Court of Appeal and said, we have been notified of the hearing of this appeal, which is scheduled for Monday, this coming Monday, 19th day of August, at the Court of Appeal, Abuja Division. Please, and I want everybody to listen. Look at what the national chairman and the national secretary of PDP that you people left in Wadata, look at the atrocity they are doing at your back. And they wrote and said, please be notified that the PDP did not authorize the filing of the state notice of discontinuance. They are disowning the notice of discontinuance filed by our own party national legal advisor against a move to legitimize those who want to remove a PDP governor. The national chairman and secretary says they are not in support of that process. Now, please be notified that the PDP did not authorize the filing of the state notice of discontinuance, as the PDP is ready to prosecute the appeal up to conclusion. PDP national chairman and secretary say they are ready to pursue up to Supreme Court a case that will help the sacked Wike lawmakers impeach a PDP governor in Rivers. I don't know whether.
Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. The person you listen to is Honorable Ikenga Ugochinyere, representing the Dato Federal Constituency of Imo State in the National Assembly. And he is the leader of the G60 opposition parliamentarians in the National Assembly. He addressed a press conference ahead of the August 19 Court of Appeal proceeding that is taking place in Court of Appeal in Abuja. He addressed the press conference to once again expose how the national chairman of the People's Democratic Party, Damagum, and the national secretary of the party, and the former governor of Rivers State, and now Minister of FCT, have allegedly connived to ensure that they use the court processes to clear the way for the impeachment of PDP Governor Simi Fubara, the governor of Rivers State. Now, you and I know that if PDP is a serious political party, by now, Nyesom Wike ought to have been suspended for anti-party activities because of what he did, how he worked against the presidential candidate of the PDP in the last presidential election, Alhaji Atiku Abubakar, and worked for the APC candidates. Ordinarily, in a sane clime and in a sane political party, he ought to be under suspension or even totally booted out of the party. But that's not what is happening. Instead, he's being rewarded and being helped to facilitate the entrenchment of his so-called structure in Rivers State. You can see what you heard what Ugochinyere said there, how the party is working against their governor. Recall that in 2023 December, the pro-Nyesom Wike PDP lawmakers defected. There was no crisis in PDP. They defected to the APC. And the whole world saw them when they were singing on your mandate, on the mandate of Bola Ahmed Tinubu that they stand, that they have moved. Even when the president intervened in the crisis in Rivers State, the President Bola Ahmed Tinubu welcomed them, say he has welcomed them to their party. It therefore disingenuous that these same people, when the Attorney General of Rivers State now took them to court for their defection and to stop them from the impeachment of the governor of Rivers State. And the court granted the request of the Attorney General of Rivers State and stopped them and declared their seat vacant and declared them an illegal body and stopped them from impeachment of the governor. That was what the court did, which was the right thing, because most Nigerians know that even if you're not a lawyer, you are conversant with the fact that when you defect from a political party as a lawmaker to another party, when your own original political party was not in any crisis, you lose your seat. The Supreme Court has ruled on this matter, and it's a settled matter. And they know it, and they ought to know it. So that's relief that was granted the Rivers State government by the court was now appealed against by Dr. Musa, a senior advocate of Nigeria, allegedly acting on behest of Rivers State PDP, on behest of the Rivers State PDP, which automatically means on behalf of Nyesom Wike, because Nyesom Wike is inseparable from PDP. PDP in Rivers State is Nyesom Wike. Nyesom Wike is PDP in Rivers State. And now, of course, it has extended to the APC, the faction led by Tony Okocha. They appeal against that judgment. They appeal against it. But that appeal by the state PDP did not have the blessing of Ajibade, the national legal advisor of the party, who, as you heard from Ugochinyere, he is the one empowered by the constitution of the party to handle everything legal that concerns the PDP. Because he ought to be the one to say, Musa, go and file on our behalf. But he was not the one that told Musa to go and appeal that judgment. And that was why he now appealed, called for the withdrawal. He went to court to demand for the withdrawal of that appeal by Nyesom Wike lawyer Musa and Nyesom Wike lawmakers. He appealed, said he want to withdraw it because the party is happy with that ruling. The earlier ruling to stop the lawmakers who have defected from PDP to APC. Ajibade, who is rightfully positioned to speak for the party in a court of law, went to withdraw the matter. The appeal that was filed by Musa, who is acting on behest of Nyesom Wike and pro-Nyesom Wike lawmakers. Now, you can see from what Ugochinyere was saying, to show you that the PDP itself is now a rudderless political party. The national chairman of the PDP had to write directly to the Court of Appeal, saying that they did not send Ajibade, their national legal advisor, to withdraw that appeal. And even vowing that they are ready to go to the Supreme Court to ensure that that appeal got to the end of the matter. In other words, going to the level that they will stop the handicap that had been stopping the defected lawmakers from impeachment of Simi Fubara. A political party national chairman and the secretary working against the interests of their state governor. If you know the powers of state governors in Nigeria, state governors are prized assets. That is why in all the political parties in Nigeria, state governors are the leaders of their parties in their state. But in Rivers State, it is not so. Damagum and co. had turned Nyesom Wike, former governor, a minister in APC government, as the leader of PDP in Rivers State, and they are working for him. That is how PDP has become literally useless as an opposition party in Nigeria. Incidentally, those who should talk are not talking. It's only Ugochinyere that is talking. Alhaji Atiku Abubakar has kept mum. If this would been his P2B now, everybody, rain or mockery and everybody, they would have been making noises how P2B supposed to be interested in what is going on in Labour Party. Nobody is dragging Atiku Abubakar as the presidential candidate of the PDP, as a leader in PDP, as he kept mum, as they are threatening the seat of PDP governor in Rivers State. In other words, the national party, chairman of the party, the national secretary, the former governor of Rivers State, all of them are working to boot Simi Fubara out of the way. Because what they want to do is to clear this legal hurdle. If they can clear this legal hurdle for the lawmakers, then they will expressly impeach the governor. That's what they are planning to do. And that is what Ugochinyere is raising an alarm. Some people have accused him. Why is he talking that he's not from Rivers State? He don't have to be from Rivers State to raise alarm on a matter that is a threat to national security, a threat to our democracy. When Nyesom Wike, as governor of Rivers State, was interfering in Ebonyi State, when Dave Umahi defected from PDP to APC, Nyesom Wike was among those demanding that he should hand over the PDP ticket, PDP mandate that was given to him before defecting. Why was Nyesom Wike interfering in Ebonyi at that time? For those who are claiming that the Ikenga is interfering, it doesn't concern Ikenga Ugochinyere. But Ikenga Ugochinyere is a PDP person. And he is talking because the party has been messed up. The national chairman and the national secretary and all the rest, instead of working for their party, they are working against their party. And they want their own governor to be impeached, using the instrumentality of the courts to clear the hurdle for lawmakers that defected from APC, from PDP to APC, to impeach their governor. Where is that done in a sane society or in a sane political party anywhere in the world, except the absurdity that we're seeing in Nigeria? That is what Ugochinyere is drawing our attention to. So all eyes will be in the courts to see what the appeal court will say about this matter, whether the appeal court will be on the side of Ajibade, the national legal advisor of the party, or they will be on the side of Nyesom Wike. But already the Nyesom Wike camp, which is controlling the national chairman of PDP, they say they are ready to go to the Supreme Court with this matter. So I think Simi Fubara and the people of Rivers State should also be ready to meet them wherever they are ready to go, at the Supreme Court or wherever. And we'll see how this will pan out. But the important thing is to see how PDP has become so irrelevant to Nigeria's quest for a credible opposition party ahead of 2027, and how they are being used to undermine their own governor. And they are becoming a threat to our democracy by their actions and their inactions on this matter. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.